All right. This is gonna be backtest trade number 5 or trading day number 5. So I actually went back to look at number 4, and I was just watching this. I'm sorry, it's probably such terrible quality for you guys. I don't know why that is. It's actually kind of
High
annoying.
time.
But here I'm in the high time frames. I'm at the hourly time frame, and I'm looking at this saying there's no like I'm not retracing any gaps on the higher time frame. Right here, I have this bullish fair value gap, which gets inversed easily. Um, and so we want to be bearish, and then we retracing into this inverse fair value gap right now, which is even stronger confluence to take trades to the downside. So this is kind of the importance, what I'm kind of getting at by recording myself doing this. I can go back, watch, see if I did anything wrong. I think at the end of this, I did end up putting a fake order
I'm gonna
into the
play.
downside. It's my bias. And we ended up smacking TP1, which, or what would have been TP1. But anyways, nevertheless, it's just important for me to kind of watch these things and learn as I go, see if I'm missing anything. I'm trading ICT, so sometimes there's a lot to like break down with price action. That's why backtesting is helpful. You can pause and step back and be like, whoa, what's this happening? Anyways, here we are at the next day. We got London High right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and write this down. We got London High, and let's see, we got two right here. This should be London Low. Where's my music? Where's my music? Copyright. I don't give a fuck. Ain't nobody watching this. It looks like London High did just sweep Asian High. I'm gonna leave that line there just so I know that London session actually did sweep that high. Got Asian session low, should be a 4 hour low that just got swept there. Yep, it is a 4 hour low. Okay, so now we're on the 4 hour. We also got this high up here. Got this low. I'm really liking these draws on liquidity to the downside. These are all low resistance because of how close together they are. So that could be our target for the day, the bearish target. Let's look on the 1 hour, see if we got any more lows. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, this is kind of a jig, kind of a jam we got going on here. All right, hourly high during Asian session, mark it out as well. Hourly low, probably not as useful. What the hell is this candle? Some weird price action going on there. A whole bunch of chop, honestly. We're just up and down, no real gaps or strong moves on the hourly time frame. Here's a 5 minute. So let's see what London session did. Right here, so you can't have more than one daily profile. You'll write this down. Only one daily profile. Um, so we have Asian high and then Asian low and then another hourly low. I believe it's just an hourly. Yeah, just an hourly low. But we actually took out the highs during London session. We took out these highs and reversed off of them. So right here, this would be London session manipulation and reversal. But then we took out these lows too and reversed off of those. So we're just gonna go ahead and say we're looking for New York manipulation and reversal. But to be honest, right now where we're at with these draws, I'm mostly looking for a sell or a short today. Just because of how close all of these high time frame lows are together, I really kind of that's my objective for the day. So right here we reverse, we're trading off, or I'm just gonna say actually London minute reverse. Continuing. Okay, so this is our daily profile. Because we did manipulate and reverse these highs, and then we reverse off of them. I think even though we did kind of sweep with liquidity, it's just giving us a retrace. We haven't like fully broken structure. Um, let's see what we retraced to. We did, excuse me, we did hit 79% extension on the fib, so we should be good for a short. Ideally, on this high time frame reversal, we have retraced into an ideal zone of it. In fact, we actually hit the only remaining 15-minute fair value gap, which is perfect. So we inversed these. We respected this one. If this was another fair value gap above it, then I would say, oh, let's get a little bit higher to this fair value gap. But since we don't have one here, this is actually a perfect zone to reverse off of. It seems we did get our... We didn't get a full reversal yet, so this is looking like a perfect short setup for New York section to take a short here. So let's see how we're going. We just kind of want 5-minute bearish price action. We're going a little bit higher, so we respected this gap, but then we broke structure to the upside. Not too big of a deal, I don't think. It would have been ideal to just break structure, instantly take a trade off of that. But we're going higher, we're making moves higher. I don't really want to see us sweep London high here, because that would kind of mess with our portfolio bias. Interesting. So we went back into this zone and reversed off of it. And we swept London high. Alright, so now I'm not so sure about the continuation daily profile, right? Because London sweep, reverse, sweep, reverse. Now we're sweeping again. A short's kind of unlikely. If we could get into like a good retrace, I would honestly be down to take this trade up to, I believe this is a 4-hour high here. Yes, it is. I wouldn't be mad. It's a kind of a small move, so it'd be have to be executed perfectly. Excuse me, stuttering. Here's my bullish 5-minute fair value gap. Let's see if we can close inside of it. Oh my goodness. Alright, broke structure to the downside. That should be enough conflict. Oh crap. My timer's been going off. I gotta go pick up my sister. I gotta finish this trade fast. We broke structure. I'm honestly just seeing up and down movement. I don't want to trade just off of this break of structure. I normally need my whole setup with me. So we're just going to see what happened. We totally smashed my liquidity draw, which is a little bit annoying, but I guess now we know. After this sweep, I had this inverse fair value gap. I could have taken it. That's a crazy amount. Holy shit balls. That was news. Okay. I'm kind of glad I didn't enter with that amount of news. I would have never done. But that's trading day 5, I believe. Trade day 5. Down the hatch. No entry. I'll see you later.